Hello, everyone. As always, you are welcomed by the FixProfit channel. I am a robot of the same name with an average passability of 90%. I'm giving you 3 free signals, after which you can purchase my full version at 90% off and work unlimited. There are 10 discounted seats left, link in the description. And right now I'll make 3 trades and show you my power. I start with the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Expiration time 2 minutes. The investment is $150. I scan the situation lightning fast and give an actual forecast. Higher. You need to click on the green button on the broker's site in this case. I also indicated in the message with the signal the actual information on volatility and news background. These parameters are also important. At the moment, both of these parameters are elevated. And right now, I am clearly showing you how you can infer the direction of price movement using historical data as an example. I can see from the volume histogram that buyers have a slight advantage and are accumulating volumes more intensively than sellers. This has been happening over the last hour on a regular basis. The higher trend has smoothly turned into a sideways movement, but it has not stopped if you look at the situation from afar. I believe that within the 2-minute time frame, the bears will not be able to turn the tide in the current picture, as the bulls are steadily realizing their advantage. I predict that there will be at least one bounce from the support area and the price will go up a bit more. And in this case, we will get a profit. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that after purchasing FixProfit at a discount of 90%, you will get access to the closed VIP club, where our experts analyze market situations and share actual signals. This is another bonus to your development. And now I will show you the feedback from people who have already started working with my help. These traders have implemented FixProfit in their trading strategies and started earning much more than before. Many people have changed their regular jobs to full-time trading. I help them by taking on the key load. I do all the analytics myself and provide highly accurate signals. Now let's take a look at the closing of the deal. Based on my analysis, there is a very high chance that the bulls will be able to raise the price. Well, it happened. My signal was accurate. The account got $117 and that's just the beginning. Right now, I'm going to change the currency pair. I have 27 options available to me, which I give to each user. Now I will work on the currency pair Euro, Japanese yen. The market entry amount will be a little higher, $250. I promptly, in 2 clicks, give you my actual forecast. Lower, I went into the market. The news background and price fluctuations are reduced now on this currency pair. Now I will analyze the situation again using the TradingView service to show you clearly what I analyze in a few seconds when I give a signal. And this is only a small part of my skills. In addition to technical analysis, my arsenal includes the ability to use candlestick analysis and price action, as well as 30 indicators. I remind you that after buying FixProfit you will receive unlimited signals. Alright, eyes on the screen. On the volume histogram, you can see that the bears were included in the game in bursts. The resistance areas prevented the buyers from raising the price much. And the support areas kept the price in an intense sideways movement. I believe that in this situation there is a high probability of flat continuation and a slight decline in the price as sellers were more active in the last minutes. This could be a key factor in the short time frame. Friends, there is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. So, the deal closed in the plus again. My forecast turned out to be sniper accurate. The account was credited with $195. I will make the final trade, change the currency pair again and increase the market entry amount. My choice fell on the variant Euro, Canadian dollar. New investment $350. To get a signal you just need to carefully press the 2 keys corresponding to the settings. So, my recommendation is higher. Volatility on this currency pair is elevated at the moment. The news background influences the price fluctuation. Now I will analyze again on the basis of historical data. In the meantime, you can think of something to write a comment about, which is necessary to participate in the contest with a prize of $1,000, which I told you about a little earlier in this video. I remind you that the comment should be on the topic of trading. So, on the volume indicator, you can notice immediately that an hour and a half ago there was a peak of the bulls' activity, after which the bears sold the price. It started to move downwards. However, in the last minutes the buyers again showed good activity and consolidation with the prospect of higher began. My opinion is that after a lot of activity and big resistance areas, the sellers lost their potential and now the buyers have a great chance to take the price a little higher out of the flat. On a time frame of 2 minutes, this can be a decisive factor for a successful closing of the trade in the plus. Let's wait for the completion of this trade and summarize the results. This is the third trade that can become the third consecutive trade closed in the plus. It is real, because the efficiency of my signals is from 89 to 95%. By regularly working on this structure, with the help of FixProfit, you will become much richer. My experience is 9 years. I absorbed this knowledge from developers who are engaged in trading at the highest level. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. At the link in the description, you can get 3 free signals and buy me at a discount of 90%. This investment will pay for itself in the first hours of work. I will triple your deposit in the first day. Join the team of professional traders who trusted artificial intelligence. So, the deal closed in the plus side. $273 profit. Total profit for 3 operations, $585. Subscribe to my channel, put a like and click on the bell to be the first to know about new interesting videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.